The drone industry is about to be completely upended, and the rules of aerial cinematography are being rewritten by a machine that shouldn't even be legally possible. Groundbreaking, unannounced factory supply chain leaks and internal blueprint data have just exposed DJI's ultimate secret weapon, the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro. Welcome to Tap Tech, your hub for honest, in-depth hardware deep dives. Today, we are breaking down a massive, authentic hardware blueprint that reveals a generational leap so aggressive, it has competitors absolutely scrambling and left industry experts stunned. We are talking about packing commercial-grade, cinema-level optics into a chassis that literally fits in the palm of your hand, all while completely bypassing strict global aviation registration laws. If you live in the United States, the UK, Canada, Australia, or any country with tight airspace regulations, this single piece of technology is going to change how you create content forever. But here is the catch that almost nobody is talking about. DJI has integrated a highly requested, game-changing feature that changes how we handle lighting, but it comes with a hidden catch that could ruin your footage if you don't know how to use it. Stick around because we are going to expose that exact feature, break down the official 2026 release roadmap, and reveal the premium pricing tiers you need to start saving for right now. To truly understand why the Mini 6 Pro is causing a literal panic among rival drone manufacturers, we have to look directly at the heart of the camera system. For years, the sub-250-gram drone category was defined by compromise. If you wanted a lightweight drone that didn't require complex federal registration or commercial licensing just to fly down the street, you had to accept a smaller image sensor, mediocre low-light performance, and limited dynamic range. DJI broke that mold slightly with previous iterations, but the Mini 6 Pro shatters it entirely. The leaked factory supply chain data confirms that DJI is introducing a massive 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor, internally codenamed the Titan sensor. This isn't just a standard sensor upgrade. A stacked architecture separates the pixel sensing layer from the high-speed processing circuitry underneath, but the real magic of this 1-inch stacked sensor lies in its low-light capability and raw resolution. The blueprints reveal that the Mini 6 Pro is stepping up to full, native 6K video recording at up to 60 frames per second. For professional filmmakers, travel creators, and solo content producers, shooting in 6K on a pocket-sized drone is an absolute game-changer. It means you can shoot a massive, ultra-high-resolution landscape canvas and perfectly crop, reframe, pan, or stabilize your shot in post-production down to a pristine 4K file without losing a single pixel of crisp detail. Now, you might be wondering how DJI manages to control the intense heat and processing power required to pump out 6K 60 frame per second video from a body that weighs less than half a pound. The internal hardware blueprints reveal a completely redesigned, highly aerodynamic carbon fiber composite body shell. This new structural design features microscopic passive cooling vents strategically placed along the rotor arms and under the gimbal housing. But the camera sensor is only half the story. The absolute biggest bombshell found in these authentic factory leaks is a feature that drone pilots have been begging for since the dawn of aerial photography: a true mechanical variable aperture system. According to the leaked engineering data, the Mini 6 Pro will feature an adjustable physical aperture ranging from a bright, wide-open f1.7 all the way down to f11. For anyone who has ever had to manually snap physical ND filters onto their drone camera in the middle of a windy field just because the sun came out, you know exactly how revolutionary this is. However, this brings us to the ultimate safety revolution that DJI is using to protect this incredibly expensive new camera system. In the past, flying a drone at night or in dense, complex environments like thick forests or tight urban alleys was a recipe for disaster. Standard visual obstacle avoidance sensors rely entirely on visible light, meaning that the moment the sun goes down or you fly into a dimly lit area, your drone is effectively flying blind. DJI is solving this problem on the Mini 6 Pro by introducing a revolutionary omnidirectional Nightscape LiDAR system. LiDAR uses invisible laser pulses to map the surrounding environment in 3 dimensions, completely independent of ambient lighting conditions. The leaked blueprints show multiple miniaturized LiDAR sensors integrated into the front, rear, and sides of the aircraft, but all of these advanced imaging and tracking capabilities are completely useless if your drone loses signal or drops its video feed the moment you fly behind a building or a cluster of trees. That is why DJI is introducing their next-generation digital transmission protocol, the all-new DJI O5 transmission engine. Built specifically to cut through the incredibly dense radio frequency interference found in heavy city environments, the O5 system utilizes a revolutionary dynamic multi-band frequency hopping algorithm. The engineering data indicates a maximum theoretical range stretching up to an astonishing distance, but the real benefit for premium market users is the rock-solid stability at close to medium ranges. You can confidently fly the Mini 6 Pro around concrete skyscrapers, metal bridges, and crowded urban parks with a flawless, near-zero latency 1080p live feed running at a smooth 60 frames per second directly to your remote controller. Perhaps the most mind-blowing aspect of these leaked supply chain documents is how DJI is powering this absolute beast of a drone without breaking international aviation laws. In almost every major market, including the United States under the FAA and the UK under the CAA, drones weighing 250 grams or more are subject to strict registration, remote ID mandates, and tracking protocols. To keep the Mini 6 Pro strictly under the magic 249-gram registration threshold, DJI is reportedly ditching traditional lithium-ion battery cells entirely in favor of a revolutionary high-density solid-state battery chemistry. Solid-state batteries offer an unparalleled energy density compared to traditional cells, allowing DJI to pack massive power capacities into a significantly lighter battery pack. The hidden catch with the mechanical variable aperture system on a sensor of this scale is diffraction. When you stop the physical aperture down to f11 on a compact 1-inch sensor, the light waves bend around the edges of the aperture blades, which can actually introduce a subtle softness to your image, reducing that biting sharpness you want in landscape shots. According to internal factory production schedules and supply chain roadmaps, the official global release window for the DJI Mini 6 Pro is locked in for the late 2026 holiday season, targeting a massive launch to capture the peak premium market shopping window. Because of the highly sophisticated solid-state battery technology and the premium 1-inch stacked Titan sensor, the pricing tiers will reflect its flagship status. The standalone base kit is expected to enter the market at a premium price point, while the highly anticipated Fly More combo, featuring extra solid-state batteries and a dedicated charging hub, will sit at the top of the consumer lineup. If you want the ultimate, uncompromised pocket cinema camera that frees you from legal restrictions, start planning your budget right now. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to Tap Tech with notifications turned on so you do not miss our exclusive hands-on coverage the exact moment this drone drops. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the very next deep dive.